So for today, we're gonna do Enmu's makeup from Kimetsu no Yaiba. I'm gonna start with contacts first. Why does one color look so different from the other? Next, I'll move on to foundation. So I'm just gonna put like a really good base over it. Next, I'll be dusting the foundation so that I can set my makeup. So I was looking at Enmu's eyebrow shape, right? And it's kind of like a sad kind of eyebrow. So I'm just trying to emulate that. So I'll try to draw my eyebrow more upwards and then I'll try to, make it really sad. So now I have a lot of eyebrows over here. I just want to make it thinner. So I'm going to put some foundation on it to thin it. I'm so sad. I don't have any fried chicken today. I'm getting into it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna do the eye makeup. So eye makeup is my favorite and I love to play a lot with like eyeliners, and you guys will see why. So I'm gonna start with my eyeliner. So I'm looking at a reference photo for how to draw his eyes. I'm gonna trace out where I need my eyeliner to be first. Then I'm gonna draw. Then I'm gonna use another eyeliner. This is like my favorite eyeliner from Heroine make. Like this is really thick and then I can fill up the gaps in between. So this is what I need to fill. But this is just my approach of doing like cosplay makeup, okay? So I don't really go with eyeshadow first because I have hooded lids, so I can't really see how much eyeshadow I should put. So I normally only put on the eyeshadow last, because like cosplay is all about exaggerated eyes. And can you see my eye? The shape is so much bigger and so much more exaggerated with this. So I also draw a little bit at the bottom so that this makes my entire eye a lot bigger. And we normally end off like half of it, so you can see that that's the difference. So the next thing I want to do is draw a fake double eyelid because I can make my eyes even bigger, and with the character, he has really big eyes, so this is what I want to bring out. For drawing fake double eyelid, normally I would line a guideline first so I know roughly how it looks like, and I'll try to line it a little bit higher because eyelashes later it might make it even bigger, so I'm just gonna have drawn it a bit thick. I should actually go for like a little subtle line, but then I'm gonna do this with my first eyeliner that I use. This is a very thin eyeliner, and with this I can draw in the effect that I want. So as you can see, actually I drew it pretty well, but then like there are some parts where I screwed it up. So what happens when you screw up like this, you just use your concealer or you just use your foundation to cover up, okay? So nobody's perfect. As you can see, I still have shaky hands as well. It could be because of old age. So I'm just gonna like, cover up, and that's what you do in life. There, not exactly perfectly cover up, but at least you can not see that harsh line, and it's a lot cleaner. So this is what I will actually do to clean up my lines. So I need a lot of precision on this. I'm using another like sharper tip, and I'm gonna use this red from Morphe. So this is the color I'll be using. I like to maybe do a little bit of a shimmer. I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of a shimmer, and then we are gonna have some eyeshadow. So as you can see, I need to do this at the ends of the eye. So this is like to accentuate the eye. Okay, so I think that the eye makeup on the left is kind of more or less done. So I am gonna move on to my eyelashes, and then you guys will see a whole world of difference. So I bought a new pair of lashes, and I think it looks like this, and I think this will look very well because Enmu is really pretty. Okay, I think I used this before for Miss J and it doesn't stick very well. So I'm kind of scared. So let me just put a lot more of the glue. So to make my eyes even bigger, what I did is just draw like an eye bag kind of thing. Even like demons have eye bag as well, okay? And then I'm gonna draw lower lashes because I think that this makes a character really cute looking. So I'm just gonna draw lower lashes. So like this, so you can see a whole lot of difference between the eyes. Just contour my nose a little bit. Just remember to blend and not have a very harsh line. I'm gonna use Fenty Beauty for some highlights. This is my favorite highlighter. As you can see, I'm just gonna draw light on my face like this. This is so amazing. Like, I always love this highlighter because this is not subtle at all. I'm a beautiful demon with bright cheeks. Anime, right? They don't really have much of a lip color, so I think that trying to make it as light as possible would be a better choice. So let me just use some lip treatment first. My lips are crusty AF. It's nice and moisturized. I'm going to use a light pink color and then just, you know, go over it. Okay, I'm not going to be subtle about this. I want to be like as unhumanly as possible. Then I'm going to use more foundation. I'm going to pat it on. So I'm just going to pat it on the outsides. So that the pink is actually like a ombre. So this is also covering up whatever I have messed up on the outside. It's an ombre from like nude color of your foundation to the pink. So the pink is the brightest point. So with this in mind, your lips actually look a lot smaller. Because anime lips are just like one cut, like there's just one slit. You don't want like too much going on. You don't want like a red lip unless you are a female character maybe. But mine is an androgynous male character, so I just don't want too many things going on. So the last part I want to do is just really contour my jawline because he's gonna show a lot of jaw. So I am just gonna use my eyeshadow as usual. I'm just gonna use the darker shade. I'm just gonna go crazy on it to draw an outline of what I want my face to look like. And this way you can see that my face looks a lot smaller on the canvas, on the screen, so I can trick people into thinking that this is my actual jawline, but actually I am just a potato. So I'm just gonna put on the wig and the costume just so you guys have an entire view of it. My hair is so short, I'm just gonna put it up. Okay, so every time I'm putting out a wig, it's always very disastrous, but as you figure out and as you just move on and comb it and whatnot, it will look better. Like dumb me almost forgotten something. He has significant squares on his face, which I totally forgotten. Okay, so I'm gonna draw it right now. So I'm gonna map it out right now as usual with my eyeshadow because they are like boxes. So I need to draw like very straight lines. So let me just see. Okay, so I think that's about it. So the smaller parts I'll just do a little bit later. So for now I'm gonna do some coloring. Okay, I'm gonna go with the green first. Okay, I know you guys can't really see it, but so this is just the base outline. Okay, we are really good with this now. We are gonna use the eyeliner to really shade it in so that I can see the boxes even clearly. So I'm gonna do that. I think that's all he has, right? Yeah. It's a he, by the way, guys. It's not a she, so I'm not cross-dressing. I am cosplaying as a guy, so you guys should know that because yeah, this is not a cross-dress. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I haven't been cosplaying for a very long while and I'm so excited. I really love Kimetsu no Yaiba and I really love like Enmu. He's so cute and I think I might secretly be a psychopath. I really like this character. He's my favorite demon in the lower moon, and the upper moon I might do another cosplay of another character next time. So let me know how well I did in this cosplay. Comment down below other characters that you want to see me cosplay as well. And remember to subscribe to me and on the notification bell so you know when my next video will be uploaded. So I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye! It's apple juice.